I'm Kumaravel, Excel trainer. Today I'm going to explain you about how to do Hlookup function and then take the data from one table to another table. Here I given an example. There is a two table. It's called a sales detail. In this, I'm going to take a data from this table to another table. This is a main table. Here salesman wise data are given. Okay, the first when you're doing for Hlookup, we need to create a range name. Okay, for that select this range and go to formula and then go to define name, then give a name for this. Let's get salesman. Yes, man, we can give the name and then give okay. So this will be considered as a lookup array. Okay, so from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Hlookup function. Hlookup is nothing but horizontal lookup. So for this equal to Hlookup, open bracket. What is the parameters are here? Lookup value. What is lookup value? This is a salesman name P. Put a comma and then go to table array. What is the table array? Table array is nothing but we are given a name called S-man. So then I can type and then give. And then another one is called row index. What is a row index? Like column index, here is a row index 1 2. It is a second row. Put 2 and then give 0 for an exact match and give enter. So can you see this? So 8,000 from the P has come. Similarly, in this what we do is just we will drag horizontally. So hope you have learned this. It will be useful for you. Like this, we can take a data. I will be explaining you another video about Hlookup tomorrow. Okay, thank you.